Hello, my name is Jake Woodard, and I am a senior at the University of Health Sciences in Pharmacy. And today I'm going to be going over a product demo for Imagine Cup. So this is our flood reporting website, and this is where we have deployed an incident reporting system on it that will be a place where people can report floods. And that incident reporting system is in the bottom right-hand corner of the website. I'm going to go ahead and open that up. When we open it up, it says, "Hi, my name is Storm. Please select the incident below." And since we are strictly working with flooding, the three options we see are flooding, storm, and rain. And also, as you can see on the website, it says University City Flood Reporting, which is a city in Missouri. We are going to be expanding this to other cities across the country. Right now, we are solely working with University City, but we will be expanding this to other cities in the country. So I'm going to go ahead and click on flooding. It says, "Have you contacted a first responder?" I will click no, and it will provide, the chatbot will provide us some feedback on how we can seek assistance by contacting 911 and also contacting a restoration service to help restore any damages. We have 4 zip codes here, and it's asking us to choose a zip code. And so we're going to go ahead and choose one of these zip codes that's in University City, since that is what we are currently working with. And next, I'm going to enter in the example address. And next, the chatbot is going to ask us, "What is your location?" And we will say indoors. It says, "Is the building you're in flooding?" And we will say no. "Are there high intense speeds of water in your location?" We will say yes. "Do nearby streets flood after a storm?" We will also say yes. "Is soil washed away, causing erosion in your location after a storm?" We will say sometimes. "Is the flood occurring right now? Since we're reporting a flood," we will say yes. And that is the conclusion of the chatbot. And at the very end, it says, "Thank you very much for your input. If you have any more questions or concerns, please email us." And we have a little link right there to email us with further questions. So that is the conclusion of the chatbot. Next, we're going to take a look at the flood map that we have created using QGIS and our machine learning model. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom in. This map right here, I know it kind of looks like a map of the United States, but this is just a map of University City, and these little blocks are block groups within University City. And so if we take a look at first these little tiny red dots, these are areas that our machine learning model has predicted to flood. If we take a look at the little tiny green dots, these are areas that our machine learning model has predicted to not flood. If we take a look at the lighter colored beige or tan dots, these are areas that have a low to moderate chance of flooding. And now we're going to get to the bigger red dots here. And if you look at this trend pattern, this is along a river in University City called the River Des Peres. And so it makes sense for why these areas would be flooding, because these big red dots are actual places in University City that have already flooded. And so this is what our flood map looks like currently, but we also want to expand this to other cities in the country. And on top of that, we would like to create another page on this website that will have a very similar map, that will have all these little tiny dots you see right here. They will all be the same color. And when you click on one of those little tiny dots, it is going to run the data to our deployed machine learning model and come back to the website with a response saying this area is predicted to flood or this area is not predicted to flood. And so those are some future goals that we have with this project. And this is the product demo. Thank you for watching.